Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. Today we're looking at a Taurus Spectrum. New release from Taurus and 380 ACP. Taurus was very excited to feature this at SHOT Show. They think they have a winner here, and it's definitely different. And it also comes in so many color variations. This here is mint with the gray frame, black slide. But if you go on their website, you'll see that they offer so many different color variations. The MSRP with the various colors is $305. For the all black model, it's $285. Now the difference at my local gun store was $5. So I paid $255 for this. The all black model was $250. But I wanted this because it's a little bit different. This is a rubber overmold. They call it, Taurus is calling it a soft feel, and when you grip the gun, it definitely has a soft feel. It's a strong rubber, goes over the polymer, and they are saying everywhere that you make contact with the gun, you're feeling that soft feel. And I would have to agree with this. It's a very ergonomic gun. They say that no matter if your hands are wet, if there's blood, if it's sweat, whatever the case, you'll get a nice firm grip on the gun, and I have to agree. So it's definitely different. Even where there are typically slide serrations, they have that rubber overmold. I'm not sure about that, but we'll have to see when live firing. It does come with two 6-round magazines. This one has the extended base plate. With this mag, you get 3-finger contact with the grip. Over here is a flat base plate. It has 6 rounds, 380 ACP, because we're going to get this on the scale and check it out when we weigh the gun. You can see that it does have integrated sights built right into the slide, low profile. Everything on this gun is snag free. That's why I said they're marketing this as a pocket carry gun, because it is snag free and it is lightweight with the polymer frame. I think it got kind of a cool look to it. 2.8-inch barrel and an 8-pound trigger. That's what I measure it. Now the website says between 7 and 9. I'm measuring it right at 8 pounds, all double action. And we'll see right there, it's a full pull, rather heavy, which is fine with a pocket carry gun. And the reset is at full position. Right there, that's the only difference. Many consider that a safety feature for pocket carry. And, you know, people could holster it. I'm just saying, I think it's a pocket carry gun. But it does have a full reset. The trigger itself is kind of crunchy. You can hear it. You know, it's not the smoothest pull around, but we'll have to live fire to get a good feel for it. It does have a loaded sight hole there, so you can see if you do have some loaded brass. And the mag release is on the left side of the gun, but it is also reversible for lefties. But let's go ahead and put this mag in, and we'll check out the size compared to a couple other guns. Here's the Car CW380. Now the Car is quite a bit shorter with the slide, about 3/4 of an inch there, and then the grip. If the Taurus had the flat base plate, it would be even. Both built with 6 rounds, although I have mag guts in here, so I get an additional round. But here we have the Remington RM380. And you'll see that the slide here is just a little bit shorter. All right. Very different guns. Both small little micro 380s. Very different. We're going to do a comparison shortly with these two. And that's going to be fun, because they are both small micro 380s, but also very different. The disassemble process is unique. You see that lever right there? It's got a flathead screwdriver fitting. You could use a screwdriver, but I'm going to use a round. Here's a 9mm round. Just going to put the bottom of it in and twist, and then there you go. It releases the slide. You may notice on the frame that it has long frame rails, so that's pretty cool. Very light. And here we have an uncaptured recoil spring, all metal guide rod, and here is your 2.8-inch barrel. Just like that. So that disassemble process is a little bit different. To reassemble, you just put everything back in reverse order, except for you don't need to use that round anymore, because simply charging the gun will put this back into its position and lock it on the frame, lock the slide on the frame. I've had trouble with this. I have to somehow get this in there. What's going on with this? It's a little bit finicky. There we go. And then it's reassembled. Let's go ahead and get it on the scale. I already mentioned it's a light gun. Here we have the larger mag. The difference in weight with the larger mag and the flat base plate is not that great. And here we have 11 and 7/8, so just under 12 ounces. All right, now we'll put the 6 rounds of 380 in there. 13 3/4 ounces. So a lightweight gun, polymer frame gun, a little different. Has some decent features to it. Oh, crunchy trigger, heavy trigger. Overall, has a great feel to it. We'll see how it fires at the range, so expect a range review shortly. And I look forward to comparing this gun with other micro 380s. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.